Say hello to the cutest wild cat you've never heard of. The rusty spotted cat. It's the tiniest wild cat in the world, about the size of a kitten even when fully grown. Look at those little paws and that boopable nose. How is this even real? They're super shy and mostly come out at night like a tiny forest ninja. With those big round eyes and that fluffy tail, it's basically a real-life baby cat forever. This is your reminder that the wild can be adorable, like ridiculously adorable.